Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my videos review. And in this short video, I would like to show you that video going to be launched in the 17th November. So this is a great product you should consider. Okay, so Video is a cloud-based software that allows you to create high-quality video for your product, especially for your intro, outro, or your video you can use to advertising on Facebook or YouTube. Okay, the video you create here in the software is very high convert, and your customer gonna love it. And you also can use the software to provide for your customer. And you know that a lot of people create video sale or video ads from the different website like Fiverr or freelancer website. And if you use the software, you also can make video and sell on Fiverr and on any freelancer website your customer looking for. Okay, so this is very great product, and of course I also put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to give you. So the link in the description of this video, you can click to the link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this, and you click to any red button here, you go to the sale page of the video, then you click to any button here and you're good to go. Okay, so they have 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can ask for money back after 30 days, but I guarantee that you will like the product and you will love the product. And this is my very short video that I would like to mention to you that this is a great product, and I'm gonna make another video of how fully demo about the software as well. So make sure you subscribe and you will see that video. Okay, alright, so right now I will see you in another video. Bye bye.